Alright, so I got the stove outlet in for the electric stove. Got my 8-3 wire. It's actually coming up in the ceiling across here. I had to pop out these light fixtures to get them out. So run the wire. I didn't do this, the gas guys did, but ran my wire through over here, up here in our closet area. I just put everything back. As you can see, channel through here. I chased this entire wall all the way towards the end. I don't know if you can see, but hold on. All the way at the end, you can see the opening in the corner. Okay, and then we have another one chased for the electric dryer. Easily accessible. As you can see, I chased it with number 10-3, 10 wire 10-3, and basically the wire. Here's the panel, and here are the wires. Dryer, stove, and I ran them all the way through there. I had to chop it up a little bit just to get space for the wires. So, as you can see, I put floor protection. I put plastic. Most of this was taped up, but I'm starting to remove it because I'm done. She's gonna have another contractor come and patch it all up. All right. Yeah, and I'll be back. Should be back Friday. You can see all my tools are here. My floor protection paper. She had some too, by the way. So you see, I'm done. Friday, we're gonna come back for like 2 hours. Gonna land these 2 wires in the panel, and that's it. She's got her power. And right now, I'm putting everything back on the shelf. As you can see, I got to put all the beer she had up here. She's a chef. Can't say who she is. So that'll do it. It's getting late, so let me get to it.